Have you ever fantasized about waking up to the aroma of freshly brewed Italian coffee every morning? Italy, with its rich history, breathtaking landscapes and an unparalleled quality of life, offers a dreamy backdrop for anyone considering a new chapter in life. Whether it's the rolling hills of Tuscany or the bustling streets of Rome, Italy promises a lifestyle steeped in beauty and tranquility. Today we'll delve into 12 regions that make Italy a top choice for living or retiring. Join us as we journey through Italy's diverse and enchanting regions. Starting up north, let's explore Piedmont, a region celebrated for its wines and winter sports. Nestled at the foot of the Alps, Piedmont is a sanctuary for those who cherish tranquility and the richness of Italian culture. Here, life moves at a leisurely pace amidst landscapes dotted with ancient vineyards and quaint hilltop villages. The city of Turin, once the capital of Italy, today offers an affordable urban lifestyle without sacrificing the charms and elegance of Italian living. Piedmont is truly a paradise for gourmets and nature lovers alike. Indulge in the world-renowned truffles and sip on the exquisite Barolo and Barbaresco wines, and for the adventurous, the majestic Alps are just a stone's throw away, offering world-class skiing and breathtaking hiking trails. Piedmont, perfect for those who love a blend of gastronomy and the great outdoors. Moving east, Lombardy stands as Italy's financial and fashion hub. In the heart of this region, Milan showcases a cosmopolitan lifestyle that is rivaled by few. Here, sleek skyscrapers stand shoulder to shoulder with historic architecture, creating a unique urban tapestry. The cost of living varies dramatically. Bustling city centers command a premium, while the more rural areas offer a quieter, more affordable way of life. Beyond the city's hustle, attractions such as Lake Como offer a serene escape, with its picturesque villas and soothing waters. Art enthusiasts are drawn to Milan for a chance to see Leonardo da Vinci's iconic painting, The Last Supper, a masterpiece of Renaissance art. For a vibrant city life with a dash of lakeside tranquility, Lombardy calls. Veneto offers more than the dreamy canals of Venice. This region paints a vibrant picture of diversity, from the bustling streets of Venice to the serene expanses of its vineyard-laced countryside. Imagine living amidst the world-renowned Venice Biennale, an event that transforms the city into a global art hub every 2 years. Yet, just a short drive away, the quiet rolling hills of the Valpolicella wine region offer a peaceful retreat and a sip of some of the finest wines. While Venice might dazzle with its historical allure and slightly higher cost of living, nearby towns like Verona offer a more affordable yet equally enriching Italian lifestyle. Here, the blend of majestic arenas and charming piazzas encapsulates the essence of Italian culture without the Venetian price tag. Veneto, a tapestry of historical richness and modern living. In Tuscany, every view is a painting and every meal a masterpiece. Here, the relaxed lifestyle is steeped in the rich tapestry of art and history. Imagine waking up to the serene landscapes that inspired the Renaissance painters, or dining in a rustic vineyard under the Tuscan sun. Florence, the jewel in Tuscany's crown, offers a vibrant art scene with treasures like the Uffizi Gallery, where the works of Botticelli and Michelangelo await to captivate your senses. Yet, just a short drive into the countryside brings you to a different world. The cost of living dips, and life's pace mirrors the slow, thoughtful process of winemaking in regions like Chianti, where the vineyards stretch endlessly across rolling hills. Tuscany, where life slows down to the rhythm of nature. In the heart of Italy lies Lazio, anchored by the eternal city of Rome. Here, history isn't just found in textbooks, it's etched into every street and monument. Rome, with its bustling urban vibe, offers a lifestyle steeped in culture and history, contrasting sharply with the tranquil life in smaller towns like Ostia. While the cost of living in Rome might be on the higher side, reflecting its global allure and endless amenities, Ostia presents a more affordable alternative, without straying far from the historical charm. Main attractions like the awe-inspiring Colosseum and the Sacred Vatican City draw millions, encapsulating the profound historical and spiritual legacy of the region. Lazio, a region where every corner tells a story. Heading south, Campania offers a zestful slice of Italian life. In the heart of this vibrant region lies Naples, a city where the air buzzes with the chatter of locals and the scent of fresh pizza. Naples isn't just a cultural hub, it's also remarkably cost-effective, making it a tempting choice for those looking to embrace the Italian lifestyle without breaking the bank. Beyond the city, the Amalfi Coast stretches with its breathtaking cliffs and sparkling blue waters, a haven for both relaxation and adventure. And let's not forget Pompeii, where ancient stories are etched into the ruins, offering a hauntingly beautiful glimpse into the past. Campania, where culture, cuisine, and coast converge beautifully. Off the southern tip, Sicily mesmerizes with its unique blend of cultures. This Mediterranean jewel is a haven for those seeking a slower pace of life, where the days are infused with the scent of citrus groves and the salty sea breeze. Living costs here are surprisingly gentle on the pocket, making it an attractive spot for retirees and expats alike. Imagine wandering through ancient markets in Palermo or exploring the majestic landscapes around Mount Etna, Europe's highest and most active volcano. Not to be missed is the Valley of the Temples, a breathtaking archaeological site that echoes the grandeur of ancient Greece. Sicily, an island where every sunset is a spectacle. Sardinia, an island paradise with a serene pace of life. In the heart of the Mediterranean lies Sardinia, a sanctuary of tranquility and natural beauty. This island offers not just breathtaking landscapes, but also a lifestyle that encourages one to slow down and soak in every moment. Here, the cost of living strikes a balance, making it an appealing choice for those looking to escape the hustle of urban centers. Visitors and residents alike are enchanted by the emerald waters of Costa Smeralda and the ancient allure of the Nuraga, mysterious Bronze Age stone structures scattered across the island. These iconic attractions provide a unique blend of leisure and historical exploration, enriching the daily life of anyone who chooses to settle here. Sardinia, where life is savored one beautiful beach at a time. In Apulia, discover Italy's rustic charm where traditions thrive. Nestled in the heel of Italy's boot, Apulia, or Puglia, as it's known in Italian, offers a glimpse into a lifestyle that has preserved its authenticity over the centuries. Here, life moves at a leisurely pace, surrounded by the expansive olive groves that produce some of the finest olive oil in the world. The region's cost of living remains attractively low, making it an ideal spot for those seeking solace away from the hustle and bustle. Attractions like the quaint Trulli houses in Alberobello with their conical roofs are not just a sight to behold but a dive into architectural history. Apulia, steeped in tradition and warmth. Calabria, the toe of Italy's boot, offers a rugged, unspoiled beauty. Nestled in the heart of the Mediterranean, this region boasts a lifestyle that is both simple and remarkably affordable, making it an ideal spot for those looking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life. Imagine waking up every day to the serene views of crystalline waters and lush green landscapes. Here you can visit the famous Riache bronzes, ancient Greek sculptures that tell tales older than time itself, or stroll along the pristine beaches of Tropea, where the sands whisper stories of the past under your feet. Calabria is a treasure trove of cultural heritage wrapped in the warmth of southern Italian hospitality. Calabria, where old Italy meets the wild blue yonder. From the Alpine north to the sun-kissed south, Italy offers a mosaic of experiences. As we've journeyed through Italy's varied landscapes, we've seen its many faces. From bustling economic hubs to tranquil vineyard-covered hills, each region presents a unique lifestyle and a diverse cost of living. Italy's rich historical tapestry and stunning natural attractions beckon those seeking a new chapter in life. Whether you're looking to retire or simply change your life, Italy's regions invite you to find your new home.